Warren Edward Buffett is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is currently the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. As a result of his immense investment success, Buffett is one of the best-known fundamental investors in the world. As of June 2023, he possessed a net worth of $117 billion, making him the fifth-richest person in the world. Here are 5 of Warren Buffett's advice for young people who want to be rich at an early age. Welcome to Money Mastery. 1. Be fearful when others are greedy. This is one of the famous pieces of advice given by Warren Buffett. He tells you to be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. He advises young people to be different from the crowd and not follow the herd. This means you should never listen to or follow the crowd when investing money. Usually people invest their money in stocks when prices increase, but smart people do just the opposite. So, to be successful in life, you should think differently from the herd. 2. No matter how great the talent or effort, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. This means nothing can happen overnight even when it comes to investments. Great things take time and you will have to wait patiently to get the right results. Most people are unsuccessful in life just because they are impatient. There is no shortcut to riches. 3. It is better to hang out with people who are better than you. Warren Buffett says it's better to hang out with people who are better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. This means that you should always hang out with positive, motivated, and successful people. If you hang out with negative and demotivated people, you would become just like them. So you have to be very careful when choosing your friends. 4. Risks come from not knowing what you are doing. Many people believe investing to be risky, but this is not always true. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. The same thing is applicable to a business. When you are starting a business, make sure you know the in and out of it. If you feel it is a risky venture, seek more knowledge. Never jump into something without having adequate knowledge. 5. Enjoy your work and work for whom you admire. According to a study, more than 80% of people all over the world hate their jobs. But this is not the right attitude. You should always love your job, as you're going to spend more than 50% of your life working. You have to choose the business and the kind of work you like. If you enjoy your work, you will be successful in life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.